Hello everybody.
Today we're going to open our 7th snack surprise box.
7th snack surprise box, Jay. 7th.
7 is my lucky number.
Now, for those people at home who do not know what snack surprise is, it's a subscription-based snack surprise experience. Now,
Before
guys,
you
go on then.
I want to just say, you always say mini, original and premium. Now it's my turn to say it.
Go on then, Ceyla.
There is 3 different types of boxes. The mini, original and premium.
And what one do we have here?
Mini!
Okay, now, each time we say 3 countries that we think it might be. I've got my 3 in mind. What are your 3?
Mine is France, Bulgaria and China.
France, Bulgaria, and China. Okay, mine is going to be Finland, Sweden and Norway. I'm going Scandinavia today. Now, hold on, let's open this out. Okay, here we go. Let's look and see. Oh!
Australia.
Read it again.
Australasia.
Close. Everybody at home. Austria. Still in Europe, which is all great. Now, guys, when we open the snack surprise box, you get this snack surprise leaflet. And Ceyla, inside this leaflet, you have lots of facts about Austria. And here it then tells you what's in the mini box, the original box, and the premium box right there. And then you have this nice little puzzle there. Okay, Jay, which one of these snacks should we try first? Lovely. Now let's have a look at that.
But what?
So you've picked the one that I am going to struggle with reading. Betupufferal. Betupufferal. I'm going to just stay like that, guys. Now, okay, I can read this part. Exquisite hazelnut brittle cream on a crisp-filled wafer covered with fine dark chocolate. The perfect bedtime treat. Bedtime treat. Okay, here we go. Look at that. That's
Is that chocolate healthy?
Well, only in moderation, everybody. There we go. Now, oh wow, I can smell that chocolate. And there's a wafer, and there's the cream. It's crunchy.
Yeah, I'm gonna have it nighttime. When it's the evening.
Ceyla, does that taste like dark chocolate to you?
No, milk.
It's got a little bit of that milk flavoured chocolate in there. I can taste the kind of little tiny bit of tones, guys, of the dark chocolate, but I like that. What would you rate that, Jay?
2.
A 2. Now, for me, everybody at home, I quite liked it. No, I'm not actually. I'm going to go with a 2 as well. The reason is that I liked it, but I'm not a fan of dark chocolate, everyone, and that's the taste I kind of get lingering at the back. So there we go.
Daddy.
Okay, now this is a snack minis. So 10 crispy wafer slices with milk and hazelnut cream. Hazelnut seems like it's running through this. The hazelnut pieces in the cream layer provide an extra crunch.
Cheers. Elephant tears.
Thank you, Jace. It smells like a wafer, so
I'm gonna eat it.
It's crunchy.
It just tastes like chocolate.
It does.
With a little hint of wafer and nut.
But that nut, Ceyla, is the hazelnut, and I can taste that coming right through. That's actually made my mouth salivate, everybody, which means at home, I'm really liking it, and my mouth is enjoying these kind of flavours. For me, Jay, I'm actually going to do the first one. I'm going to give it a 3. It's not overly sweet, which I like.
The same as you, Dad, 3, but I love it when it's sweet. I love sweet things.
Okay, let's go with the next one.
But not too sweet things.
True, not too sweet. What shall we go with next? Okay.
No.
This is a Choco Banane. So, a fruity, tender banana mousse covered in crisp chocolate. This chocolate banana will make your palate dance for joy. Do you know what palate is, Ceyla?
No.
It means the inside of your mouth. And show everybody the banana at home. There we go. So, cheers.
Cheers,
Cheers. That, if I could give that a score, everybody, it says 3 is love it. I'm gonna go with 4, and I don't normally even rate something as great as that, but that is great. What are your thoughts? Lovely.
Because it's too sweet.
Let's go with the next one. That was outstanding. Okay, something a lot easier to read, and that is called Bobby Caramel.
Bobby?
Let me open this one.
Bobby? I got a friend called Bobby in my school, but she's in year 1.
Oh, there we go. Isn't that just fabulous facts? Now, caramel cream sprinkled with wheat rice crisps and coated with milk chocolate. This iconic bar was created in 1967.
Daddy, before you say that, wheat means
crisp.
8 in French.
Yes, it does. Okay, Jace. This looks like a...
1950.
This reminds me of like a Lion bar, but done very differently. Okay.
It reminds me of Snickers.
This is superb. You get the crunch. You get the flavours of the chocolate, and then what you get, everyone at home, is that caramel note at the end. Wow, these Austrian chocolate makers and snack makers, Ceyla, are outstanding. Now that's great. We've got, now I'm gonna say this right, this is Mozart Gurgelen.
What?
Exactly. So, Mozart Gurgelen. Now, do you know who Mozart is, Jay?
I think he's a proposer.
A proposer. Only in Ceyla's world. Now, guys, he may be a proposer, but what he really is, everyone at home, is a composer. Now, guys, a composer is somebody who creates music, but he created lots of music based around like the violin and the piano. Yeah. So, chocolate balls with a nougat cream core covered in marzipan and coated in dark chocolate. And it says, everyone, an Austrian favourite. I can smell the dark chocolate. What does that taste like to you? If you like it, I'll be very surprised. The taste that Ceyla probably don't like is the marzipan. What would you rate that Mozart Gurgelen? 1. I didn't mind it. I didn't mind that marzipan taste. I'm gonna go with a 2. Okay, Ceyla, we've got one last snack to review, which is the Kelly's Snips. Now, Austrian grown corn meets the delicious taste of peanuts in the light and fluffy snack. The lightest way to enjoy peanuts. Here we go.
Does it look like what's it's originals?
There we go. Smells like peanut.
It does. And it has like...
When I'm eating this, everyone, it feels like I'm eating crisps. A what's it? Not cheesy, but then a spoonful of peanut butter too. Clearly don't like it.
In the middle of 1 and 2.
I think I'm gonna go middle of the road and give it a 2 out of 3. I was gonna say 10 again, Jay. Now, there we go. Guys at home, thank you very much for watching. This snack surprise box was Austria and I really loved it. There was one in here, that banana flavoured one, which was outstanding. What was your favourite, Jay?
My favourite was...
That, I quite like that too. That had a very lovely chocolate wafer taste too. Now, what should everyone do if they liked it, Ceyla?
Like it if you want to see my subscribe, smell, love, bye!
Bye bye everybody!